Stop buying expensive security cameras. Your old phone is already one. Imagine keeping an eye on your home, your pets, or even your sleeping baby without spending a dime on fancy security systems. Today, we're taking that dusty old phone you have lying around and transforming it into a smart, fully functional security camera using just one free app. Get ready to save some serious cash and gain some serious peace of mind. Most of us have an old smartphone stashed away in a drawer, gathering dust. Maybe the screen's cracked or it's just too slow for the latest apps. But here's the secret. For a security camera, those flaws don't matter. What you do have is a device with a camera, a processor, Wi-Fi capabilities, and a power port. Everything you need to keep an eye on things. Think about it, a dedicated security camera can cost anywhere from $50 to hundreds of dollars. By using your old phone, you're essentially getting that same functionality for absolutely nothing. It's not just good for your wallet, it's great for the planet, giving new life to old tech instead of sending it to a landfill. So, what do you need to get started? First, grab that old smartphone. We'll call this your camera phone. Second, you'll need your current everyday phone, which will be your viewer phone. Third, a stable Wi-Fi connection in the area where you want to place your camera phone. Fourth, and this is crucial, a charger and a long cable for your camera phone. And finally, the star of the show, a free app called Alfred Camera. There are other options out there, but Alfred is one of the most popular and easiest to use, making it perfect for DIYers. Let's walk through setting this up step by simple step. First, grab both phones, head to the App Store or Google Play Store on both devices and search for Alfred Camera. Download and install it. Once installed, open Alfred on both phones. You'll be prompted to sign in with a Google account. The trick here is to use the exact same Google account on both devices. This links them up seamlessly. After logging in, Alfred will ask you what role each phone will play. On your old phone, select Camera. On your current phone, select Viewer. And just like that, you're practically done. Your old phone is now broadcasting its video feed, and your current phone is receiving it. Now for the fun part, placement. Think about what you want to monitor. Is it your front door, the baby's crib, your pet's favorite mischief spot? Find a good elevated spot where your camera phone has a clear view. This is where your long charging cable comes in handy. You'll want to keep the camera phone plugged in at all times. Why? Because continuously streaming video drains battery life incredibly fast. You don't want your security camera dying just when you need it most. You can prop it up on a shelf, use a small phone stand, or even get creative with some sticky tape. Just make sure it's stable. But hold on. You might be thinking, what about storage? What if the internet cuts out? What if someone steals my camera phone? These are all great points, and they're common challenges people face with any security setup. For storage, Alfred comes with free cloud recording for motion-detected events, usually for a limited time like 7 days, which is perfect for most casual users. If you need more, they offer premium plans, but for basic monitoring, the free tier is very generous. As for internet outages, like any Wi-Fi camera, it won't work if your internet is down. However, when the internet returns, Alfred usually reconnects automatically. If your camera phone gets stolen, it's a downside, but remember, it's an old phone that you weren't using anyway, so the loss isn't as great as a dedicated, expensive system. And for privacy, always be mindful of where you point your camera, especially if it's recording. Make sure it's only capturing what you intend it to. Here's where Alfred really shines, its features. You'll get a live feed on your viewer phone, but it also has motion detection. When something moves in the frame, Alfred sends an alert straight to your current phone, often with a short video clip of the event. You can even talk through the camera phone, which is amazing for telling your dog to get off the couch or checking in on kids. It also has a low light filter, though don't expect crystal clear night vision without some ambient light. And if you have multiple old phones, you can set up multiple camera feeds around your house, all viewable from your single viewer phone. It's like having a full-blown security system, but with zero cost for the hardware. So, there you have it, a smart, free, and incredibly practical way to repurpose that old phone gathering dust in your drawer. You've just turned a forgotten gadget into a watchful guardian for your home, all thanks to a simple app. Click on this video next to learn even more ways to extend the life of your tech.